ain't around. When I saw her, I was convinced that she is. She the got the boys hopping the fence. Goddamn, yeah, I better get that real quick. Gotta get it. She looking like an angel heaven sent. Thank you, Jesus. You don't get it confused. Yeah, I've been watching you, and you ain't got to choose. With me, girl, you can't.
Alright guys, so we haven't made a video in a while. We've had some things going on in our life.
More like in our family. Someone really close to us, like really close to us, is going through cancer and had to have surgery, and the outcome is still not good. So we're still trying to figure things out of what's gonna happen. So it hasn't been easy for us to just pick up the camera and film at a time like this, because I don't want to fake like happiness and excitement when it hasn't been. But on the good note, this person is feeling great, keeps reassuring me that she's fine, so I've been a little more at ease. So we're back, and so today's video is something strange that we came across at the store. So like you guys saw in the main, right in the beginning of the video, you can explain this probably a little better than me.
So these are microwavable pork rinds, and this is actually the hot and crispy. So
Wow.
hot and spicy.
No, does it say spicy? No, it says crispy. Oh, so it said hot and crispy.
Hot and spicy, hot and crispy.
Microwavable, like what the heck?
Yeah, this is interesting, so we gotta try it.
It's like we're either living under a rock, and you guys all know about this, but I've never ever heard of this. You haven't either. Like,
no.
What is it?
The crazy thing is, it says it only has 1 carb, so it's healthy.
Wait,
Or
per
is it?
serving. Wait. It says per serving. So serving per container is 3.5. So 3.5 servings. So it's about 3 point something carbs, right?
Yeah, 3.5 carbs.
Well, no, because there's 3. Oh wait, 3.
Yeah, 3.
Servings in 1 cup. So
The 9 carbs.
9,
we need all
10.
of them. We don't need them all, you know. Now, so the instructions, we read it. It says that even though it's like a popcorn, right? It's not going to make any popping sound at all. What the package says.
The way it says shake bag, remove plastic wrap, unfold bag, and shake 5 to 6 times to spread pork rinds throughout the bag. Microwave, why do I always scream? You guys, I'm sorry, I'm Puerto Rican. I'm always screaming in these videos.
Yeah.
Okay, so microwave center, you hear cat?
Playing with.
I know. Microwave center unfolded bag on turntable or floor of microwave. Direction side up. Set power on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times may vary. Continue.
Number 3 is watch. Stop microwave when bag stops extending. Do not leave.
Expanding.
Thanks for the correction. Do not leave unattended. Product does not pop, and the bag may not fully expand like popcorn. Carefully open. Bag is hot. Pick up bag from the top. Open away from the face and body.
That sounds dangerous to me. Oh, they got helpful hints too.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing.
So you gotta make sure your microwave's clean and dry.
Let's do this. I'm excited.
All right, we're gonna start with 1. Let's see.
All right. So it says shake the bag 5-6 times. All right.
You sure you shook it good?
Yeah.
And then this side up. And then cook on high for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, let's do this. Let me see. Let me make sure it is zoomed in. Go ahead, baby. Close it. All right, guys, here we go.
2 minutes.
Yep, hang on. Let me turn off this light so we can see it better. So far, it hasn't. Has it begun to start expanding?
No, not at all.
Okay. Definitely does not sound like popcorn. Oh wait, I hear crackling. When it stops expanding, or what?
Yeah, I guess.
it gonna explode? I'll scream.
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Stop expanding.
I think so. It's only 10 seconds left. I might as well leave it. 1.
Alright, so it's done. I'm scared to open it.
I'll open it. I'm not scared.
What if
I'm hungry.
it explodes in your face?
Oh.
Oh. Don't, it says open away from face. It doesn't sound like it's done. Wait, I'm scared. Why am I so scared? Oh, wow. Sorry. Don't touch it. Hold on. All right, let's show them what it looks like. So,
Sure you got a bigger plate.
why? All right. Still popping.
It's not popcorn. It doesn't pop.
Crackling. Wow.
Yep.
Is that all of them?
There you go.
There's still more in there. So here it is. They actually look like the ones from the bag. I'm scared to bite it, like burn my mouth. They literally look like the ones you buy in the bags.
Well, it's good.
It tastes just like the ones in the bag.
It's like magic.
Wow. Alright, let's show them up close. Alright guys, so here they are up close. And as you can see, they're literally like the ones from the store. They're still crackling. They're so good. See, just like the ones. Did I say store or bag? Whatever, you guys get it. They literally look like the ones you buy in a bag. How many times am I gonna say it? So, okay. It's popping in my mouth.
That's what happens when you crunch it.
No, I put it in my mouth and it started crackling.
That's because you're hot, babe.
These are really good. So these are called, how do you pronounce that? Lorries? Lorries?
Lorries.
Ow! What popped on my tongue? They're Lorries bacon curls, microwave pork rinds, chicharrones, hot and spicy. These are really good, guys. So that was it for this right here. We're gonna stuff our faces in our 1 carb meal.
Yeah.
Not bad, right? It's only 3% fat. Is that good or bad?
I'm thinking this is probably like some type of plastic. One has 1 carb. Just a joke.
You scared me. I'm like looking at the ingredients. It's got 3% fat, which is 2 grams. Can you not eat them all while I'm talking? Oh. 310 milligrams of sodium. 0% carbs, which is weird. It says 0% carbs, but it's got, what is that, -1 gram or 1 gram?
Where's that? No, no. Just under a gram.
Just under a gram. 10 grams of protein.
Let me see.
Oh look, it's family owned Alberto.
Alberta.
It's got an O. What?
What?
Oh, the expiration date is 2019.
Is it 2019 or 2028?
No, right here. February 28, 2019.
Oh. Let's turn this into a mukbang.
Mukbang. Mukbang.
Mukbang.
So that was it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. please subscribe. We got more coming. We should try and find weird stuff like this. This was interesting.
If you know any weird things you want us to try, please leave it in the comments.
He'll try it. Ah!
Yeah, I'll try just about anything. The only thing I will not eat is live animals.
This is like
weird.
Poppets. Is that what you call it? Poppets? Pop-its.
Puppets?
Poppets? Rockies? What do you call those candies that pop in your
Pop
mouth?
rocks.
Oh. Pop rocks.
Alright guys. Listen, if you like this video, go and hit the like button. Sorry. Don't forget to subscribe, see more videos.
These are really hot.
The next video I'm going to shave Kitty. Alright, this is just a joke.
Oh yeah, look how short my hair is now. You guys remember it was like down here?
I didn't do a bad job.
Well, I had to get it fixed. This wasn't you. Alright guys, so we will see y'all on the next one.
Alright.
Here you go.
Peace.
And I can prove it to you, girl, just let me come through. For you, yeah.